But first, Governor Brian Kemp has just declared a state of emergency ahead of Tropical Storm Debby. Let's go ahead and toss it over to meteorologist Andrew Wilson with our weather impact forecast. Andrew, you're eyeing Debby in the Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico right now?
Yeah, down into the Gulf of Mexico now. Just made its way off just north of western Cuba, and it's going to continue to make its way off to the north, approaching the Big Bend of Florida. Let's take a look at the most recent information on this storm that came in as of the 11 p.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center. Notice that it has 45-mile-per-hour winds moving northwest at 14 miles per hour. Again, it came off the western tip of Cuba, and then it formed into Tropical Storm Debby after being Tropical Depression 4 a little bit earlier on. It will have 70-mile-per-hour winds there Sunday evening, and then once it gets close to landfall, it is forecast to become a hurricane, a Category 1 hurricane there along the Big Bend of Florida. And then notice what happens here. It pushes inland, and then it just kind of gets hung up right into this region around southeast Georgia, eastern portions of South Carolina. This could mean a lot of rainfall for southern and middle Georgia. Right now, we're expecting the storm again to move off to the north, but a lot of models have it just kind of hanging out here. Will it have much of an impact on us? We'll have more of an update on that coming up.